Hello, everyone. I'm here today, super happy to be able to introduce to my team Karina Alvarez. She's my daughter, and she has been studying all things science for many years. And I'm extremely happy to have her now with me. And she's going to be helping our patients. Okay, so I'm here to present her, Karina.
Thank you, Dr. Noly. I'm so excited to be working alongside my gorgeous mother
Thank you.
and be able to bring my side of the story to the practice. I've been studying medical sciences and biology at this point for over 10 years, I think, and across 2 continents, 37 countries. I'm finally home, and I'm so excited to be able to share everything I've learned with our clients. Our goal, our approach is a holistic take to health and wellness. So,
Yes, on our side, my husband, Jose Alvarez, Dr. Jose Alvarez, and I have been practicing here in Miami for 30 years now. And through all these years, imagine what it is. Well, I'm going to ask her how it is to grow up in a house where mom and dad are always talking about health and what's going on. And tell me a little bit of why did you decide to do what you're doing?
that's a great question, Dr.
Okay.
Noly. Thank you. It really was a unique experience as a child growing up around medical terminology, dental stuff. I mean, a fun little detail. Our family videos, it's us in Disney World or our birthday parties, and then cut to a surgery, and my dad's in there with all kinds of things going on, and that became very normal for me. And I think I grew to appreciate it. I think I formed a deeper understanding of what our bodies are in the context of nature and what's around us because of the experience and the information that I was catching since I can remember. And when I was a child, I wanted to become a dentist. I think it's a beautiful, noble career. But life isn't always what we think it's going to be, and most times, it ends up being way better. And I'm very grateful for the journey that I've been on, that has taught me so much about not just health and wellness, but life, appreciation, joy. And I'm blessed to be able to now work with my parents, and keep it light, keep it nice. But also, we're gonna we're gonna work hard to help you in your journey and do it with grace and with patience, and most importantly, with a big smile. I mean,
Yeah.
doesn't she have a great smile?
Thank you. Thank you. Well, yeah, for us, the fact that she wants to join us, it's amazing, right? And everything started because a few years ago, I decided to go the way of the aesthetics. I had a bad experience with my face. Something was done to me that I didn't like at all. And I said, well, maybe, this can be done in a different way. And since then, it's going to be 8 years now that I've been working with facial aesthetics. And I'm extremely happy because I worked with teeth and making beautiful smiles for many years. And now I get to complement that. What about the tissues that are around? And now is what about the tissues and how to keep them forever? And we are in an era where wellness is number one. We're going to be living longer, and we want those years to come uh, in the best way possible, because we want to be alive, but we want to be alive and well, right? We want to be
Amen.
yeah, we want to be healthy, and we want to stretch as much as we can the youth, like bring it with us. And that's the idea is to help you in your journey. And there's a wealth of information, a wealth of knowledge here that there's out there. We want to help decipher that for you. So we're here to help.
It's great that you mentioned about the structure of the face and so much that goes on with facial aesthetics. It's beautiful work that's happening. We're creating collagen in tissues that we thought that was lost before. We're creating tension, muscle, and part of the beauty of me joining the team, I feel, is that I can help support that from the inside out as well. So we're going to talk about proper protein, goals. We're going to talk about movement, resistance exercise, and so many more aspects of life that might seem a little bit daunting when we're hearing it maybe for the first time or for the 100th time. But I feel that something unique that we can give or provide to you is guidance and personalized steps for your journey.
Yeah.
So,
So tell me a little bit about that wellness coaching training that you went through with Harvard. Was that something that helped you organize yourself too? And you were so excited. I remember when you started it, and now that you're done, I think it's going to be something great to have that guidance, you know,
absolutely.
for patients, and so that's something that we can, you know, transmit and teach as well.
Absolutely. Great question.
Yeah.
The Harvard Health and Wellness program was amazing. It really opened my eyes. And like you said, it's how to organize the knowledge that I have compiled over all these years in a way that's organized, methodical, and digestible to our patients.
Yep.
I want to help you understand in a way that is truly understood so that my words can really translate into meaning something for you, and you can take that with you when you go home and for years to come. Something very special that I discovered through the Harvard Wellness Coaching Program was that, of course, as a coach, we're also human. And something very important that the professors were explaining to us was, in order for us to be able to give the best care we can to our patients, we also need to follow guidelines and structures. And it's a learning process for everyone, you know? So it's a very human experience to feel sometimes a little overwhelmed or confused or have a bad day. And then you feel, okay, well, you know, forget it. You know, it's not worth it, or I'm just going to start again on Monday. And it's it's so important to remember to have grace for yourself, and you could just hop right back on.
Yeah. Yeah.
The same day, the same meal if you want, you know? And that's
Well,
something important.
Talking about meals.
Yes.
So then, one of the most important things, and it's such an old saying, is that we are what we eat.
We are what we eat.
Yeah. So there's a plethora of different options nowadays to help us reach our dream weight, right? And now we're going to be working with that too.
A big part of what we're introducing now is through the health and wellness coaching. I will help you reach your nutrition goals. We can create meal plans together, and I want the experience to feel personalized. Every body, everyone is unique. Everyone is special. Everyone has had their own journeys, and whatever has gotten you here makes you special. And what we can do to get you to where you want to be is also special and unique. In collaboration with your physician, your family practitioner, blood results, labs, I can help you understand your blood test results. What is your blood pressure and why? What are these medications that you're taking? I would like to help you understand these things for you to feel more empowered and autonomy in yourself and taking control of your health. If you have any questions that you feel when you're at the doctor's office and you're not sure where to even begin, I hope that I could partake a little bit of help in that department as well. You know, like the idea is empowerment and longevity. Like Dr. Noly was saying, longevity with grace is paramount. You know, we want to age gracefully. We want to age in a healthy manner. Of course, we love the concept of a miracle diet, but there are none, you know, and there is help now with certain medications that are doing fantastic work, but there are two sides to the coin. And my job will be to help you understand that other side. How do we maintain this? How do we get there in a healthy way? What should I be eating every day? Through my knowledge, I feel, and experience, and with Dr. Noly's expertise, we can help bridge that gap, and we can get you to the place where you feel comfortable.
Yes. Well, you know, in the future, we're going to be making more videos. I would love to hear from you. Any questions that you have, please feel free to ask them here. We're here to help, and we're here to guide you. And we have been in Miami for 30 years now, working, practicing, and serving our community. And it's just very joyful to think that, my daughter is going to be with us now. So thank you for being here with me today, and looking forward to the future, right?
Yes, thank you so much for having me. Thank you for watching, and the future is bright.
Yes,
Definitely good things coming.
It is. It is.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment if you have any questions or something fun you want to let us know.
Yes.